Ever wanted to name your pet pig, chicken, or even a zombie? Today, we are diving deep into the world of Minecraft to uncover the secrets of finding name tags. Our first stop is the perilous dungeon scattered beneath the surface. These generate randomly and often contain chests. Keep your eyes peeled and your sword ready, because these chests have a chance of containing name tags. It's not a guaranteed drop, so explore thoroughly. Next up, let's talk villagers. Some villagers, specifically librarians, will trade name tags for emeralds. Keep an eye out for villagers wearing white robes. Trading can be an efficient way to obtain name tags if you have emeralds to spare. Finally, let's cast a line. Fishing can also yield name tags. As a treasure item, you'll need a fishing rod and some patience. Enchanting your rod with luck of the sea will drastically improve your chances of reeling one in. Once you've got your name tag, simply hold it in your hand, right-click on the mob, and enter your desired name in the text box. Hit enter and you have a uniquely named mob. So whether you are exploring dungeons, bartering with villagers, or casting a line into the waters, finding name tags can be quite the adventure. Now go out there, personalize your world, and add those unique touches. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips.